Janet is a force of nature. Everything inspires me about Janet. I met Janet when we first formed the annual fund board, now called the Fund for William and Mary. And honestly, one of the best things that happened to me was the fact that the board was formed and that Janet became a member of that board. And one of the best things that happened to that board was that Janet joined that board.
Her leadership style is one that I try to emulate myself. She is an incredibly empathetic leader. She's also very strong and decisive. And probably one of the things that I admire most about her is that she doesn't shy away from the hard decisions, always leading with kindness and empathy.
You know, on paper, if someone were to look at Janet's most notable accomplishments, the list is long and you could pick any number of things. However, I know what Janet would say, and I would agree, and that is raising children that will go out into the world and use those values that their family holds dear.
It could be the toughest of times and you're looking at a rock and a hard place and you don't know which one you're going to choose. And somehow Janet usually manages to come up with an idea of getting through the rock and a hard place in a way we hadn't thought of before.
This desire to give back, to dedicate oneself, is something that I think that the college develops in their students and have developed for the last 325 years. And she embodies what the college holds most dear.
If you've ever heard Janet speak, you know that she's as likely to burst into song as she is to use words. I don't know anybody else that can get up on a stage and just start singing what they want to say the way Janet can. I mean, it's a gift, and it's a gift that she shares with everybody that she touches.
Janet, my deep and sincere congratulations on your receiving this incredible award.
Janet, I once said to you that I wish we had been students together at William and Mary. I think that we would have taken the campus by storm. So I would just say we could even do this now. Let's break into the Wren building and ring that bell.
I feel so lucky that I had the privilege of getting to know you and working with you at William and Mary. Congratulations on a much deserved honor.